All right, welcome to a hotel room tour. Today we are here at the Sag Harbor Inn in Sag Harbor, New York. We are here in room 121, so this is what the key looks like. Let's see, once we get a focus. So watch this. Stick the key in, and the door opens. And this is the room itself. As you know, interior corridor. Let's go ahead and close the door and we'll check out the room. All right, the first thing you see here is we have two king beds. Over here to your left is the bathroom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom first. Hold on, let me set this down for a second. This is the bathroom with your open closet with your ironing board and iron. Here we have your sink. Not just one, but here we have another sink as well. Look in the mirror. Hey there. The commode is a Kohler toilet. Here we have the shower. And here we have a really nice room. These beds are really comfortable, you can see. Over here is we have a nightstand with your advanced alarm clock, standard hotel telephone. You have a complete drawer space. Here's a lamp. You have a Toshiba flat screen TV, along with some dressers. Very clean. We are only here for about like 2 nights, so unfortunately this hotel is obviously a good choice for you to get, but also we have is a mini fridge. Here's the fridge. We have a desk with a lamp. We got 2 lights, they do work. Another mirror. Here we have a table with chairs. And here is a view out the window. It is kind of dark, but you can get a nice view from the water. The bridge is right over there. That's the Sag Harbor Bridge. But fortunately, it is cold outside, so we got to keep our nice and warm. Let's get one more view of this room. This is a real nice room, and unfortunately, the good thing is we need to test out the bed. Let's see how comfortable this is. Very firm, but the mattress is more comfortable when you sleep in and enjoy wonderful days here in Sag Harbor. The pillows are really nice. We have another chair, and also I forgot to show you is we have your Amanda climate control unit. Once we move, I can get over. Here's the climate control unit. And here we have your Honeywell thermostat. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour of the Sag Harbor Inn in Sag Harbor, New York. Stay tuned, folks.